Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. Today we are going to a place I think you have seen on the thumbnail. So that's where we are going. This bridge was full of water. I'll show you the video if possible. If I have the, I'll show it to you. Somebody sent me in WhatsApp. That time I was in Bangalore. And this place is called Kanthalloor. I don't know why these horror fellows don't look at the mirrors before turning. Okay. This is how the view is from top. Actually the place is covered with fog, but otherwise you can see all those mountains out there. A lot of people out here, man. I don't know where to park my bike. Entrance fees, 10 rupees. Children below 13 years are exempted from paying the fees. The airport don't destroy the rocks, but still people don't listen to that. We have come to this beautiful place. Actually, there is a lot of fog here. we'll just walk. So we just walked down here, and because there were a lot of people up. Me and my brother have come here, and the view is beautiful, but there is a lot of fog around. Because of that, we even if we take photographs, we are not able to cover the mountains. Look at the view. And here there are mountains, but the fog. Because of the fog, we are not able to see anything. Kanthalloor, which we came through. Because I don't have a gimbal, there's a lot of shake in the video. So guys, look at this structure. Still nobody knows how these people have done this, because those rock pieces are so heavy. Look at the size of the rock. It's this big. Let's take a look inside. Look how neat it is inside. This is the roof, the rock piece which we saw earlier. Let me get in. Oh, it's very difficult to get inside. And sorry for the echo. I don't have any microphone. This is how it looks outside from inside this structure. Let me show you some more of those structures. Okay, let's go out. This is how I need to come out. Oh my god, I hit my back. That was very difficult to get in and out. This is how big the roof rock is, but we don't know how people built all those things. I'll try to search in internet. If I get some details, I'll let you know. This is the one structure which was in good condition, and there is a few more structures. It has been spoiled by the people who come here for visiting the place. Even if people stand like this around, maybe 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 20, 25 people, I doubt we can lift this. It is that huge and heavy. This is one of the pieces where they have cut, but they have not used it. You can see the size, how big it is. And the sad part is there are some random stupid peoples who write their names, and I don't know how it will satisfy them. They write their names and look at this. They have written the phone numbers. I don't know. I don't know why people do that.
There is a way like this. Let's go.
Okay. He says there's a way. Let's go this way. Because there are some people there. They're washing the clothes. So I did not wanted to disturb them. Look how beautiful this place is. The entrance they have put the board saying do not disturb these structures and do not destroy it, but still people do that. Look at them. That is how these beautiful structures are being destroyed. I'll show you some of the structures which has been already destroyed. Structures which have been destroyed. Look at that. So we are done with that place, and we are going to explore some more places. Now we are going towards Kanthalloor. If you're coming to Marioor, then you can visit all these places, because nobody knows Marioor. They know only Munnar, which is 40 kilometers from here. Not on this route. You need to go on the other way. I mean, this also goes to Munnar. It goes to all the tea plantations and everywhere. You need to take permissions if you want to go via that road. You can go in motorcycle, and it's full off-road. I don't know till how long this camera will be recording. Did not copy the videos which I was recording while I was riding from Bangalore. Hope it doesn't stop recording. Guys, look at this beautiful view. I put the 35mm lens so I cannot zoom in or zoom out. This view looks amazing, dude. And sad part is they are destroying the forest. Technology is growing on the other side, and the nature is being destroyed the other side. Pretty soon we'll be missing all this sceneries here because of these people destroying the forest. Guys, we have come to another location. The bike is parked there because we cannot take it down. I'll tell you why. Other tourists, they take the jeep and come here. Look at the tire. It's full covered with mud. The reason why we cannot go down is, look at the road. Road is very slippery. My brother has already gone down. He's known to all these places. You know all these places. So he went very fast. Okay, he's waiting for me there. People say many shootings have taken place at this particular location, and this is how the location is. As they told, this place is really beautiful. I'll try to click some pictures and upload it on my Instagram page. I'll not be uploading it on Rider Rob's Instagram page. I have a different Instagram page for that. I'll leave the link in the description, or I'll leave the name somewhere on the screen right now, so you can go and follow me on that. Look at this. Look at the view, man. Wow. And this is the first time I'm coming here, even though I lived so many years in this town. But I was very young, so I did not know all these places. And look at the beauty of this place. If you guys come to Munnar, I think you should definitely stop at Mariyur, and you need to see this view, man. I think you need to spend one day at my hometown. Isn't this view beautiful? Look at it. Clicked a few pictures, and my brother said we can go down there, so we are just going down. Here it is very steep, and look what people have done. They've broken all the bottles. It's full of glass pieces. When you're coming here, you need to be very careful with this. Look at my brother, he's gone down, and I need to follow him. Some portions are very slippery. The fog is getting cleared, so before it gets cleared completely, I need to walk down and click few good pictures. I'm not good with photography, but I'm still, still I'm learning. I just had 3 dosa, and the time is 3:30 now, and I'm hungry. Oh my god. Okay. Oh, this looks beautiful. Look at this. If you're almost down, and this is the view from here. Okay, let's walk. Go further down. It's very steep, guys. It's very steep. It goes like this, and I can hear water stream. I think there should be waterfall somewhere, and this is the view. Let me know how is this place in the comment section. I'll try to leave the Google Map link in the description, so that even you can just check out these places.
There's a waterfall now.
Okay, my brother says there's a waterfall there. Let me go there and take a look. It's all wet, so I need to be careful. It's slippery because I'm not wearing the trekking shoes. I saw some lizard down there. Okay. I can see the waterfalls. I need to be careful when stepping on these stones. If it goes down, then I'll also go all the way down. And that is the waterfall. So the jeep is coming, and it's better to stand inside. I see 2 people on the bonnet. Absolutely no traction on the tire. But still, it has good brakes. Oh my god. Let's go ahead and see. My god, look at that. That's the perfect driver, dude. He's a perfect off-road driver, I would say. With so much load. Look at the way he with so much load, look at the way he went. Really amazing. You should really appreciate these guys. At one side path is they are destroying the forest. Look at this tire burn. There's one surprise for you guys. And already my brother is there. And, we need to climb all the way up. So let's do it. See the perfect place to keep my foot and climb. Safety is the number one priority here. Where am I gonna climb here? Okay. Look at this, dude. You have made it, I think, halfway through. Look at this again. My brother is really struggling to show me all those beautiful places. Thanks to him. He's a kind of adventurous guy, so no issue for him. And he's a kabaddi player. Ooh. Can you see how steep this is? Okay. So I'm gonna make it. All right. Out. Look at that. So many honeycomb. Even at everywhere you can find honeycomb here, and at this portion, even here. Look at that. So many, and it's huge. I don't know how far the camera is doing justice. It's huge. And this mountain is called Honey Mountain. What a beautiful name to it. And it suits perfectly, right? And this is one more view of the same mountain. And we came further in, and this is what we could see. Sorry for the handshake. I am extremely tired. That is the reason the video is shaking a lot. There are so many. Guys, battery got low in DSLR. Look at the honeycomb here, and here as well. And there are a lot more on top. I cannot count. There's so many on top. I'm shooting this from my mobile phone. Look at this beauty. And there are a lot more on the top. So many, but surprisingly there are no honey bees. There's only honeycomb. And what a beautiful moment. We were just there on the top. Luckily we came down, and plastics everywhere. I don't want to leave this place. I'm feeling like keep on seeing this beautiful view, but I had to go. It's very slippery. The path is very slippery. I'm holding the camera with the bigger lens, so I need to be a little careful. Oh, 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 oh. Look at this. One leg just sliding and taking me down. Can you see this honeycomb? So big. Plastics, alcohol bottles everywhere. Look. This is what human does to the nature.